Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could make some breakfast together. So I am making pumpkin French toast and I'm using this just egg for it, but I also have a recipe on my blog that you can use to make your own batter with tofu. So highly recommend that. I will link that below, but you just want to add the just egg, some milk, some pumpkin spice, and some pumpkin puree to a bowl and whisk it all together with a little whisk. And like I said, if you are making your own batter, you will just follow the instructions in the recipe linked below. Then I wanted to add a little breakfast sausage, so I used the PC plant-based ones. They're so good, and Craig's family actually came over the other day and tried them, and they're not vegan, and they absolutely love them. And then I'm also using the PC plant-based butter alternative and put that in the pan. And then just dip your favorite bread slices into the batter and fry it until it is golden and crispy. The recipe on my blog turns out the exact same as this, so it's a really good option if you don't have just egg or if you just want a more budget-friendly alternative. I just wanted to try out the just egg today and see if it worked, and it totally did. So super exciting. It's nice to have a sort of super fast, convenient alternative, but the recipe on my blog is pretty quick too. Then I just heated up some pumpkin sauce. This is on my blog as well. It's 5 ingredients. It takes like 10 minutes to make, and it is so amazing, and it really does make your French toast taste like pumpkin pie. So I really recommend making some of that. And then I just used some of this vegan coconut whipped cream. This stuff is so helpful. I always buy it in the fall and winter because it's just so easy to like throw on some pancakes or French toast or put in your coffee. And the dogs were very close by because Hazel loves whipped cream. Anyway, so this was so good. I just decided to kind of throw on my camera today while I was making breakfast because I knew it would turn out super yummy, and I thought it would be fun for you guys to have a fall breakfast idea. So that is everything for me today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!